Hello and warm welcome everyone. So, when I go and start learning a new topic, I would focus on some basic fundamental questions. Like when we talk about APIM, what is APIM or API management? It is fully managed Azure native service to publish, secure and analyze APIs. It has it act as a facet between your consumer and your backend services. Consumer could be app, could be the end user, could be the third party. Centralize API governance, monitoring, and developer onboarding. It simplifies the integration across internal and external system. These are the things which is offered by Azure API Management. And obviously this is abstract, we are going to see more into the upcoming details. Then the second question I focused on, why. Say it is very important to understand why we are learning something, why we need something. So like we will understand why do we even need API management. APIs are everywhere. It's API world, right? We talked in terms of API, we exchange in terms of API, we connect in terms of API. Everything is happening in terms of APIs. APIs is basically application programming interface. So in the API world, there are multiple challenges we face when we design the system, when we integrate the system, when we architect the system. There are multiple challenges. Security is one of them, versioning is one of them, documentation, visibility, all these challenges will come when you design using or in terms of APIs. So this APIM tool will help you to sort these challenges. Without APIM, each team implements inconsistent policies. Like, everybody is working on their own silos, they can do what they want. But with APIM, there is some sort of uniformity you are adding to the system, to your across the team, all the APIs, org level. There are various options which APIM offers. Azure APIM ensures the standards, controls, and observability. Standard means definitely it will have some standards which you can imply across all your APIs which are published from the APIM. You can control, there are various levels of control, developer level, management plane, all those things will come. Observability is something which you can observe, you can track the error, you can observe the error, trace the errors, all these things is offered by the APIM. Now, this is why we need APIM. Moving on, we are going to see what is the capability, what Azure APIM can do. Basically, it is the security is the main aspect. Say whenever you go over the internet, security becomes very crucial for your system, for your application, for your system organization. Security is being the vital part, and APIM will help you to achieve the security, to secure your data, to secure your APIs. How? It has OAuth 2, JWT validation, it has subscription key, it has products, it has workspaces. So there are various ways we can secure our APIs. APIM can help you for the transformation. In APIM you can modify headers, you can modify the request responses and twist it the way you want. SaaS is a very common and normal nowadays. Now in the SaaS world, it will help you to monetize your API. It will help you to implement pay as you model, pay as you use. Say how much calls you want to make to the certain API, that will be achieved through the APIM. Analytics, it has various tools which offers tracks usage, performance, errors, All those things will be achieved through the analytics. So this is all capabilities of what Azure APIM can do. It has a developer portal, self-service API access and testing, which is an interface offered by the APIM. APIM will help you to implement versioning, automation, CI/CD, Git mode, hybrid mode. All these things you can do via APIM in the APIM. Moving on. So now, what we will learn in this course? Like I said, you will start from zero. There's no knowledge on APIM is needed. You can come, the basic knowledge of the cloud is recommended, but even if you don't have, it doesn't matter a lot. Eventually, even if you have zero knowledge, you can take this course and you will become master of APIM. Eventually, once you learn the APIM concept, API gateway concept, you can become the integration master. You will learn how to set up and configure Azure API Management, secure and publish your own APIs, whether it's your native cloud API, third-party APIs, various language APIs like Python, Azure, C#, Java, any API you can host in the APIM. Monitor and troubleshoot API performance. We will learn how to automate the deployments via DevOps pipeline. We will learn how to implement hybrid and multi-regional architecture. Let's get started. Prepare your Azure account. Developer tier is the one which is recommended. It will not cost you. Follow along. We'll have a lot of hands-on demos coming across this course. Ask the questions if you have any. Get your answers. Let's begin the journey. Welcome again in my course. Thank you. We'll see you in the next section.